1 miles an hour and win.
Naval courtesies between two of the world's biggest navies. New York is visited by warships, Japanese warships. The veterans, Iwate and Yakumo, both took part in the Russo-Japanese War. Now they're training ships with 200 cadets aboard. Rear Admiral Laning of the United States Navy welcomes to America Vice Admiral Yoshida.
That you will enjoy your visit here and will go back with the very best of feelings toward our big city and towards our country.
Thank you very much, sir. You're very kind.
All very nice and peaceful and courteous. You would never think they both exercised in the Pacific. And in the Pacific, two warships of the other big navy arrive in their home waters. HMAS Australia, followed by HMAS Sydney, Australian cruisers but part of the Royal Navy, enter Sydney Harbour past Bradley's Head, where the mast of the old Sydney, vanquisher of the Emden, is erected. The three great naval powers and a whole lot of smaller ones may be heading for a great naval building race, but Jack is more interested in dry land than the sea at the moment, as he goes ashore after 18 months in the Mediterranean to renew his acquaintance with his family.